Vidouo AI is the next generation of video and animation generators, offering advanced features like text-to-video and image-to-video. It also introduces a revolutionary capability called reference-to-video, which has transformed the world of video creation. I'm confident this tutorial will leave you amazed by its potential. Without the need for expensive hardware or expertise in software like 3ds Max, Maya, or Blender, you can easily turn your ideas into reality with just a few clicks. Using this AI as your personal film studio. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create professional videos and animations, animate static images, and bring them to life with the exceptional tools of Vidouo. Are you ready to unlock a whole new world of creativity with this incredible tool?
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
First, we visit the Vidu AI website. The website has a modern design and provides valuable information. We need to create a user account. I click on the sign in option located in the top right corner. It's possible to log in using a Google account or a personal email. I prefer clicking on Continue with Google. Then I select one of the open Gmail accounts and login. On the dashboard, by clicking on the icon in the top right corner, we can access the user profile and the logout option. Upon creating an account, you are credited with 80 free tokens. By clicking on Subscription Plans, you can browse the AI's available plans. From the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the website, we can access the various versions of Vidu AI. At the time of this video's release, version 2 is the latest. Vidu AI has three main features. In the reference to video section, you can upload images of items you want, such as characters, landscapes, or other elements. Based on your prompts, the AI combines them to create an animated video. In the image to video section, you can animate your still images and bring them to life. In the text-to-video section, your ideas in the form of text prompts are converted into videos and animations by the AI. I have prepared a prompt in advance and pasted into the text box by right-clicking and selecting Paste. This prompt is for generating a video of a beautiful woman. Next, we move to the settings. In the Style section, between General and Animation, I select General because it creates realistic videos. In the Duration section, free accounts can select a duration of 4 seconds. While the 8-second option is only available for paid plans. In the resolution section, only the speed option is available for free plans. The 720p and 1080p resolutions are exclusive to paid plans. In the movement amplitude section, you can choose between small, medium, and large. To have more motion in the scene, I select large. In the aspect ratio section, among vertical rectangle, horizontal rectangle, and square, I choose the horizontal rectangle because I'm creating long videos for YouTube. Naturally, for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok, the other options are more suitable. In the amount section, free accounts can generate only one video per process, but in paid plans, you can generate up to 4 videos per process. After setting these parameters, I click on Create. This generation deducts 12 tokens from my free plan credits. My request is added to the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review it. The result isn't bad, but it could be better. When you hover over the video frame, the download button appears in the right corner of the video frame. By clicking on the 3 dots in the right corner of the video frame, you can access the delete option to remove the video. I re-enter the same prompt for another generation. Let's review the new result. This video is good and satisfying, but the important point is that it was created at the speed resolution. Now, we can enhance the quality of this video. To do so, I click on the HD option located in the right corner of the video frame. Upscaling this video deducts 4 more tokens from our credits. I click on Confirm. My request is added to the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review it. The quality has truly improved, and the result is satisfactory. I download the video. I delete the previous prompt. I have prepared another prompt in advance and pasted into the text box by right-clicking and selecting Paste. This prompt is for generating a video of a yellow Lamborghini. I click on Create. This generation deducts 12 tokens from my free plan credits. My request is added to the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review it. The result isn't bad, so I repeat this generation process. The new video is ready, let's review it. I like the movements of this Lamborghini, and to improve the quality of this video, I click on the HD option located in the right corner of the video frame. Upscaling this video deducts 4 more tokens from our credits. I click on confirm. My request is added to the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review it. The quality has significantly improved, and the result is excellent. I download the video. The examples we've had so far using the text-to-video feature in Vidouo AI have been good overall, and I give this AI a passing score for its performance in this section. Let's explore the power of the image-to-video feature with a few examples. First, I activate the Image-to-Video tab and click on the Upload Image button. I then select and upload an image from my hard drive that I want to animate and bring to life. This time, the image is of Taylor Swift. Once the image is uploaded, its thumbnail appears in the display box. Now I need to type the idea or action I want for animating this image underneath it. For simplicity, I want the character, in this case, Taylor Swift, to just smile. So I type smiling. To add more movement to the scene, I select large under the movement amplitude option. Then I click on the Create button. Generating this animation consumes 4 tokens from my free plan credits. My request is added to the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I hit play to preview it. The result is absolutely stunning and unbelievable. See how the AI has brought a still image of Taylor Swift to life. I download the video. Also, by clicking the HD button, I can upscale the video quality, as I demonstrated earlier. To test the capabilities of the image-to-video feature further, I try another example. I delete the previous image, click Upload Image, and select another image from my hard drive. This time, it's Elsa from the Frozen animation. After uploading, the image thumbnail appears in the box. For this example, I again want the character to simply smile, so I type smiling. Using the same settings as before, I click Create. Once again, this generation consumes 4 tokens. After a short wait, the video is ready. I play it to preview the results. The outcome of the image-to-video process is truly mind-blowing. How can I believe that AI has turned a static image into something so animated, almost like a Pixar movie? I download the video. Now, it's time to test the reference-to-video feature. I switch to the reference-to-video tab. In this section, you upload multiple items that you want the AI to combine and animate within a single scene. I upload an image of a robot and a landscape. Currently, the platform allows up to 3 items to be uploaded. My idea is to have the robot walk across the uploaded landscape. After uploading, the image thumbnails appear in the box. I've already prepared a prompt describing my idea for the animation, so I paste it into the prompt box. To add more motion, I select large under the movement amplitude option. I then click Create, using the same settings as before. Generating this animation deducts another 4 tokens. My request enters the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review the results. Since the video was generated in speed mode, I upscale it to enhance its quality. I repeat the generation process to achieve even better results. It's both astonishing and a little unsettling to see how well the AI understands and executes my request, animating the robot within my chosen landscape. This level of capability leaves me in awe. How far will AI go? Could we one day find ourselves under its control? What do you think? To upscale this video, I click the HD button in the right corner of the video frame. Upscaling deducts an additional 4 tokens. I confirm the process, and after a short wait, the video is ready with noticeably enhanced quality. I download the final video. At first glance, or with your initial tests, you might think this AI isn't great. But as I've shown in this tutorial, I was able to generate some impressive videos. Everything depends on the prompts you provide and the number of attempts you make. If you write detailed, comprehensive prompts and increase your testing efforts, you're sure to achieve great results. Here's a quick question. Did you learn something new from this tutorial? If so, smash that like button with enthusiasm. Exciting new AI tutorials are on their way and will be uploaded to the channel soon to surprise you. If you want to make your learning journey even more thrilling, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Remember, AI is the future, and now is the time to embrace it. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. It's going to be epic.